Hello. I woke up today at 4:30 a.m. and the day will be long because I'm going again to Chopinec to take my family back home from the additional week of vacation. And I am looking at the dates of publishing of my vlogs, and actually I think that I'm doing a pretty bad job of being a daily vlogger. Look. 3 days, then 9 days between episodes, it's not good. So I'm gonna make a little adjustments in my daily routine in order to being able to edit those vlogs more often. And I have already begun to doing those changes because I have edited this morning a new episode. Look. It's rendering. Cool. So the vlog is rendering, time for a run, and I'm doing also a pretty bad job at being a daily runner, actually. Stop for gas. And what a nice truck this is. I am wondering lately, how would it be to use this camera without the ND filter? Would it still be cinematic? So the topic of today's vlog should be why you should not consider quitting your job, but I am just right now editing it, and I see that I have made a pretty big error for a vlogger, which is I didn't remember when I switched on record on my camera and when I switch it off, and because I'm using a camera who does not have a tally light at the front, I don't know when I am recording really. I am clicking record and then I should remember that it's recording, and when I hit stop, then I should remember that it's stopped. It's pretty common in cameras that are not very vlogger friendly. Mine it's not ideal. There's no ideal camera, there's no perfect camera, but it's quite good, but no tally lights. So I have made this error. So the 3 reasons for not quitting your job will be in the next vlog episode. Still doing a very poor job as a daily vlogger, but hey, my kids, one of them, Helena, has started preparatory school. I think it's called like this. It's something in between daycare and school. It's called Year Zero in Poland. I don't know how it is called in other nations. And so logistically, it's been quite a challenge. So hey, that is why I am doing a very poor job as a daily vlogger. I hope you don't mind supporting me by subscribing.